problem based on properties of integration. Okay, and the problem says that if f of a plus b minus x, this is equal to f of x, then the value of integration a to b x fx dx by integration a to b fx dx is equal to. Okay, and we know that for any integration, this is a to b, if we take the upper portion x into fx dx, right, then it is written that this is a to b a plus b minus x into f of a plus b minus x dx, because we know that from the property of integration, this is a to b fx dx, this is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. We know this property. Okay, this is very important property of integration. Now from here we get the result as integration a to b f of a plus, this is a plus b into, this is equal to f of x, this is equal to f of x, it is given in our problem. So a plus b into fx dx, this is the first portion, and the second portion is integration a to b x fx dx. Okay, so if we take the given expression, this is equal to I, so we write this I, this is equal to upper portion is integration a to b a plus b into fx dx minus integration a to b x fx dx by, this is the lowest portion is given by, this is equal to integration a to b f of x dx. Now if we divide this term into two parts, we may write this is a plus b into integration a to b fx dx, and lower portion is integration a to b fx dx, so these are cancelled out, so we get this is a plus b minus, this is given by integration a to b x fx dx by integration a to b fx dx. Okay, and clearly this portion is nothing but the given expression, so we may use here this is a plus b minus I, because we take this integration, this is equal to I. So we get the result as I in the left side, so we get 2I, this is a plus b, and I, this is equal to a plus b by 2. Okay, very easily we find the value of this integration by using the properties of integration, and our correct option is this a plus b by 2, so our correct option is option number C. Right, thank you for watching.